Hi guys, Yaseen here. On your style, Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE, featherweight design, elegant and sleek. One of the amazing thing, ultra lightweight and ultra comfortable grip. And high resolution back camera. Stay creative even in the dark with the night mode. Capture the beauty in the dark. The detail will be elegant in every design. Dazzling halogen design, excellent anti-glare frosted glass, near flat camera module, 1.88 mm slim bezels. 4 amazing colors that you can complement your style with. A display without compromises, 6.55 AMOLED screen, Corning Gorilla Glass 5.
Let the rhythm move us, yeah baby, take it too far. You're at the center of my attention, yeah you got me so lost. I love the way that you move, and how the lights keep up the groove. Feel like in a movie, baby, but it's ending too soon.
More creativity with new vlog mods. Are you like this video? Then subscribe Tech Info.